Starting the vlog off differently today. Gonna be working out and then I'm gonna go do some car stuff. So, I hope you stay to enjoy the rest of the video and to watch how I work out sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. Didn't record as much as I wish I could, but thank you for letting me, Jim.
Oh, of course, my pleasure. Bring whoever you want next time, Saturdays and Sundays afternoon. Get stronger together. One-on-one training, hit me up, Coach Eric on Instagram. Yeah,
I'll put his link right here.
Yep.
Not free, but thank you. Thanks again, Eric.
Yeah, okay, Coach.
Just finished working out. Thanks again, Eric, for letting me lift and do all the other stuff. And now I'm gonna head home, shower, get dinner, and then gonna do an install on the GTI. So let's get to it. I'm playing. Before I install the piece onto the GTI, I actually have to clear out the garage, as in move this car forward, because all this junk's right here. So I'm gonna start installing all the little bits and pieces on the car just to clear some space. I have some of the roof railing, and actually no, that's all I need to install, just the roof railing. And then I'm gonna clean up that mess, move the car forward, move the GTI in, install the turbo inlet and turbo muffler. It shouldn't be too long, and it should be all good to go. As you can see right here, I got brand new roof railing things because the last ones I had were spray painted over, sun damaged. It's gross. So yeah, I got a new one.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby. That's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
Damn it, it didn't record. Oh, jeez. Well, see, the good thing about two tiny ass cars, you can squish them both in the garage, still have space to close the garage without hitting your car, and still have space to work on the car in the front and not be in the way anywhere. So, with all being said, I'm gonna put the turbo in, at least the turbo inlet in today. Turbo muffler maybe another day, but this is just all to get ready for the tuning, for me to get the stage 1 tuned tomorrow. So I am rushing this. It is really late. It's 12:36 a.m. right now, and today is the day I also register the Civic. So it's fun. I have all the insurance, everything's done. The Civic is officially a road car now. So that's another video, but today's video is gonna be just installing the turbo inlet. Alright, so in the engine bay, you pop the engine cover off. You have the turbo inlet pipe. It's actually made of plastic compared to aluminum. And there is a hose right here and a bolt right And a bolt right there. That's a T30. Just need to take it out. I'm gonna try my best not to undo all the coil packs and the solenoid plugs and everything, just because it's a big hassle, but I might have to. We'll see. I'm gonna try to do it this way and see what happens. I should be able to take it off without too much trouble, so let's get to trying. So very much possible to do without taking off all this other crap, but it like sucks. This little dinky plastic one is the original, and this beefy aluminum one is the ECS tuning one. So as you can see, way bigger hole diameter throughout the entire piping. So it'll just allow more power for the turbo. So, gonna get back to installing this and be done for the night. And that is how you change a turbo inlet pipe without actually having to remove all the coil packs. I mean, unplug the coil packs and the solenoids and all that stuff. So a little easier, not too hard, and this is how it looks. Honestly, cannot really even see the difference. Maybe you can tell that it's like brushed aluminum now versus like a piece of plastic, but damn, this thing is so small compared to the one. That's what she said. But anyway, super easy install. All you need is a pick, a T30 bit, and some elbow grease. And in my case, a flathead screwdriver to remove the intake, the connector. But if you have the OEM one, you need some pliers as well. Super short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like to give it a like. If you dislike, give it a dislike. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!